Okay, go ahead.
Wow, Dad, I'm gonna bowl you more strikes, I think.
Well, that's a strike.
What? Oh!
Oh, Georgie, look.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? That's
Pick it up.
That's called, here's a good reason to hate new pins.
Go ahead, pick it
Here's
up.
a good reason to hate new pins.
Pick it up, buddy.
Are you kidding me?
Come on, Georgie, do it.
Are you kidding me?
All right, we strike. Oh, almost.
That's bad, those bears.
All right, here, you want another strike?
Alright, Dad. No. We have to start a new game, right? That's it.